You know, the hardest part wasn't her passing. It was realizing the randomness of it all. You know, we spend so much time trying to assign meaning to matter, which has no absolute form. There's no real meaning. It just creates this massive web of contingencies. But the real sorrow, the real loss occurs when you realize that the randomness.
Fuck you.
It's been a long time.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Never expected to see you here.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Motherfucker.
You got a cigarette?
Why do I have to wear this stupid thing anyway? Because I want my face to be all over the freaking news, okay? I want to be famous.
I turned off all the cameras and stuff. When you guys are done, just tie me up over there. You know where to put my money, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, yes. Oh, you know what? Let's take a selfie.
何以好莱坞？
大家好，欢迎来到何以好莱坞第3期，我是主持人 Phoenix 黄长玲。
Do you know this is also semi-biotic story? Wait,
Autobiographic, yeah.
semi-biotic.
I had no idea, but it doesn't surprise me because that's what she works well with. Oh, that is so great. And Bill Hader and John Cena and
An Oscar winner.
Tilda Swinton. And LeBron James. Oh my God.
James.
And it's probably his acting debut, I can imagine. Coming out next week is a movie called Pixels with Adam Sandler. It looks like it's going to be awesome. That's her Pac-Man.
Pixels 像素大战。由《哈利波特》1和2的导演 Chris Columbus 执导，喜剧明星 Adam Sandler 和 HBO 美剧《权力的游戏》中深受大家喜爱的 Peter Dinklage 主演。外星人派电脑游戏人物侵略地球，老美们当然又要自告奋勇，甄选出游戏高手联合拯救地球。可面对诸如蓝精灵、笑脸及各种萌萌的像素人物，他们能狠下心一举消灭侵略者，成为英雄吗？
Good boy.
And it's apparently about some aliens who received information from us way back in the 80s, and they send friendly.
Stand out from your competition and get more customers. Did you know? Videos increase people's understanding of your product or service by 74%. 80% of internet users remember the video ads they watch online. 80% of your
Oh no! What's wrong? I hardly have any bites! If I want to be as popular as Katy Perry, Figgy Azalea, or Lady Guava, I'll need to post more selfies on Berrygram. I remember my first selfie.